Welcome to my video. In this video I will tell you about 24 open source applications I found in year 2021. Let's move on to my video. Our first open source program is a simple screen recorder. You can use simple screen recorder to make audio and video screencasts. It will capture entire screen or you can select a selected area. It is easy to install and use but powerful at the same time. Our second open source program is Jaspersoft Studio. Jaspersoft Studio is a report designer program that allows you to create a simple and sophisticated reports as well with charts, tabs, tables and export them to a wide variety of formats like PDF. Third option is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code has reached a significant level of popularity among web and cloud developers who are also Linux users since it provides a nice programming environment out of the box that supports extensions to add functionality. Fourth option is Text Guitar. If you are like me and music, especially the guitar, is one of your passion, you will love this Text Guitar program, which will let you to edit and play guitar like a pro. Fifth option is Akiga. It is an alternative to Microsoft Skype. Akiga is a video conference and VoIP solution for GNOME in Linux but also available for Windows. Child's Play. It is great for parents with little children. Child's Play provides fun memory activities to learn sounds, images, letters and numbers. Next option is DIA, also known as DIA. DIA is a versatile diagram editor comparable to Microsoft Visio. Besides the native shapes, others can be edited very easily by editing an XML file. Our eighth option is FreeCAD. FreeCAD is a general purpose 3D computer aided design program fit for use in engineering and architecture. It is similar to AutoCAD. Given the fact and FreeCAD is FOSS, it is easily customizable and extensible through the use of Python scripts. Ninth option is OwnCloud. OwnCloud is an alternative to commercial Dropbox. Security and privacy are achieved without much hassle and allow you to easily set up customized cloud storage and file sharing solution. So it is also an important open source program. Our ninth option is MediaWiki. MediaWiki is a program for creating and managing a Wikipedia-like website. In fact, Wikipedia itself is based on MediaWiki, where a community can add, remove, update and revert entries, and authors are notified upon such changes. Our 11th option is BleachBit. You can think of BleachBit as the CC cleaner of Linux, but it is more powerful than CC cleaner. It will not only recover disk space by deleting temporary files or other unnecessary files, but will also improve Firefox performance and securely destroy unnecessary files to prevent recovery. Our 12th option is CodeMirror. CodeMirror is a powerful JavaScript based text editor for the web browser. CodeMirror includes syntax highlighting for over 100 languages and a robust API. If you own a website or a blog that provides programming tutorials, you will find CodeMirror to be a very useful tool. 13th option is GNU Health. GNU Health is a free, extremely scalable health and hospital information platform which is used by health professionals across the world to enhance the lives of the underprivileged, offering a free technique that optimizes health promotion and disease prevention. 14th option is OCS inventory management. It is also called OCS inventory NG. It is an open source computer and software inventory, also known as next generation inventory based system, or OCS inventory NG for short. It is a lightweight web application that can help you to monitor network and system administration and track them, all of the devices connected to the network. Also, you can configure machines and software installed on them. 15th option is GLPI. It is often used in conjunction with OCS inventory NG. GLPI is a multilingual free IT asset management software that can only provide the tools to build up a database with an inventory of your network devices, but also includes a job tracking system with mail notifications. Although it is designed as a personal application. Our 16th option is Apache. With Apache, you can set up your own home media center or online audio and video streaming application and access it from anywhere with an alternative internet connection. Our 17th option is Master PDF Reader Editor. It is a paid software, but you can use as open source with less privileges. Master PDF Editor is an easy to use PDF editing tool for working with PDF documents that comes with powerful multi-purpose functionality. It helps you to easily add text, create and modify PDF, add images and encrypt the files. Our 18th option is LibreOffice Draw. It is similar to CorelDRAW, but it is an application that is inbuilt in the LibreOffice suite that enables you to create anything from an easy sketch to complex ones and provides you the means to communicate with graphics and diagrams. With draws, you can easily open and edit basic PDF files. Our 19th option is Lemon POS, also known as Lemon Pause. If you own a small or medium business, you will undoubtedly need a point of scale program. As such, Lemon Pause may be a lifesaver for you if it uses a MySQL or MariaDB database for data storage, and thus a single database can be used with multiple active terminals at the same time. Our 20th option is OpenShot. OpenShot is a FOSS video editor for Linux that can help you to create the film you have always dreamed of. In the words of its developers, with your home videos, pictures and music files. Next option is LAN Messenger. LAN Messenger is a multilingual and cross-platform IM program for communication over a LAN. It provides file transfer, message login and event notification, all without the need to set up a server. Next option is Cherry Tree. Cherry Tree is a free and open source hierarchical note-taking program that comes with rich text formatting, syntax highlighting and advanced customization options. Its advanced search feature enables you to search files across the file tree irrespective of their path. Next option is FlightGear. FlightGear is an awesome open source flight simulator tool that is used to create a knowledgeable and open flight simulator system for use in experiments or academic environments, pilot training as an industrial engineering program. Our last option is MuseScore. MuseScore. MuseScore is an open source and free professional music notation application that is used to create, play and print beautiful sheet music using easy to use yet powerful interface. So this is all from this interview. I have discussed 24 open source free programs, so you can use if you are interested in that programs or you are doing any task which is related to that program. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell buttons so you can receive all my videos in a instance.